I'm not even doing my intro today, guys, but I'm just get started right in the video. What is this game even about? Are you supposed to sinking ship? Roblox Britannic. What is this? Is my video even on? Oh, it is. Okay. I don't know. I'm just gonna go somewhere. I'm just gonna go to the ground stairs staircase. What does E do? Oh, what does shift do? Shift runs faster. Oh my god, no. Let me unsync. Oh, oh my. Yay, I made it into the boat safely. I bet you this game is so easy, literally. I bet you. Oh, am I supposed to drive this boat? How do you even drive? Oh, he's driving. This game is so easy. Look. Probably just end this video at 10 minutes. Literally, this thing is so easy. I'm gonna ask people, what is this game mostly about? Someone please tell me, because what is this game about? Please, I don't even know. It's a rip-off game? But I know it. Like my friend made me play this game. But this game is really boring. Oh,
You don't want my no paper? No paper?
okay. What do you even do? Do we like here? I'm doing this later. This game is boring. I'd rather play Piggy than this game. This is the most what do you call it, game ever. I'm gonna unsubscribe. I'm old enough. I don't even care about this game. I'm not. No. Switch accounts. This is for making me play this game, and this is making me mad. Right here, I'm about to. The only way I'm gonna subscribe back is Elijah, is if you make me delete this video. This video is not even fun. I'll make another video about it. No, I'm gonna wait until this is uploaded. Then he can see. Wait, what are you supposed to do on this game? This game is boring. Like, what is this game about? Again, because I don't even know what this game is about. What is this game about again? So you have to survive the Britannic? I don't even know how they got crushed. Titanic, if you played Britannic, if you like more, what does that have to do with this game? What does that have to do with this game? Surviving the there's but there is since no one else is telling me about how to play this game, you're losing 2 more subscribers. You're losing 2 more subscribers. The only way I'll subscribe back is forget it, you're only losing one subscriber today. And that's me. So if you want your 15 subscriber back, but hell, but hello? Oh my god, this is making me dizzy. Everybody disliked this video. I don't like it. If you like it, I guess who's gonna like it? It's him, so since if this video gets 2 dislikes, I'll subscribe back to Elijah. Only if we get 2 dislikes on this video. 5 dislikes on that. We're gonna subscribe back to Elijah. This is the only way. The only way I'm gonna do this. Look, I'm gonna end the video right here. Literally, nothing's coming. Look. Look, look, look. Nothing is even coming. I just swim back to shore. Look. I can literally just sit in this water. I don't know. This is the only way I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna subscribe back. But if you're making me play another game, I'm gonna, what do you call it? Okay, I'm just gonna end the video right here. Bye, guys.